guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know, and for today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and my try on. This is what I usually do every month, of my Boxycharm box. So if you guys don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. You can get 4 to 6 full-sized items. It costs about $21 a month, and the value of the box is over $100. So if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, my link is down below. If you guys do sign up, you get I believe you get like something and I get something. So if you do sign up, you will get a free gift. I think they're still doing that, or you get points or charms or something like that. I'm not exactly sure, but before we jump into this video, I just want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty. Also, please hit that post notification bell too while you're at it, so you get notified of all of my future uploads. And give this video a like if you do like Boxycharm, and leave me a comment down below. What variations did you get in this month's Boxycharm? There are 3 different variations, so I'm just going to jump right into this video and start unboxing this box. Alright, so first things first, the design of this box is totally different. This is more rectangular than like the normal square. So I don't know if this is going to be just for this month or like for all of the months. Like, I have no idea, but this is definitely a different sized box. I've never gotten a box like this before. But when you open it up, here are my goodies, and you do get a little like sheet, and on this sheet it just explains what you got, and then basically just the prices of everything. So this month's themes is Make Waves. So the first thing that I got that I can't try out just because I already have my makeup on. This is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. This retails for $34, so right then and there this pays for the box. So this is submerge your skin in new oil-free refreshingly white water cream infused with skin nourishing coconut water. First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream hydrocharges your skin with a burst of electro-rich moisture for softer, smoother, and healthier looking skin. So you guys know I do use Dermalogica, but I think I might use this about like once a week, just when I know that my skin just needs some extra love and attention. So I did get this, and I'm pretty excited to try this out. I do love First Aid Beauty. You guys can already see I already know what's in the box because I just put my base on to make this video not a half-hour long, because I do know a lot of my videos are like a half-hour long, and I'm trying to make them a little shorter for you guys because I know that half-hour is a pretty long time. So I'm just going to open up this. So I did get a lash curler. I'm actually really excited to get one of these because I needed a new one, but I love the like color of this. It's like rainbow and just looks really, really pretty. So this retails for, this is by Pure. This is $18. You're able to make your lashes to new lengths. Literally prep your lashes for a coat of your favorite mascara with your new eyelash curler. Instantly perk up the individual lashes for a look you will love. So really excited to get this. The next thing I got is a Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Shadow. This is in the shade Cupid. This is what this looks like. This retails for $22. Your new Ciate London Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting shimmery eye looks. The metallic glittery liquid eyeshadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for a sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. So that's really like handy. I don't think I have like a color like this. This just looks really, really pretty. It's like pink, but also like a champagne-y color. I don't know, this just looks really, really nice. And then I also got a lip gloss. This is by Orza. I hope I said that right. This retails for $14.99. This is a gloss, is lightweight waterproof lip topper, added for extra dimension and shimmer to your lips. Layer over your favorite lip color for an impactful look, or weigh alone as a subtle gloss. Then the last thing that I got in this month's box, this is the Alamar Corlette Blush Trio. So you guys know I'm obsessed with blushes, so I'm really excited to try this out. and these are the colors. The colors are stunning. They look so beautiful. This retails for $22. Get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Corlette Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, high pigmented and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of rays. So really excited to try this out. So I'm just going to calculate everything for you guys. This box retailed for $108. So I paid 21 bucks and I got all of these goodies, and for 21 bucks, I think it's worth it. So even if I don't like everything that is in here, I still feel like it's still a steal. I'm introduced to new products that I normally wouldn't try, and it's only 21 bucks and you kind of get a lot of stuff. So let's just put everything on my face right now. And I'm going to zoom y'all in. And what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to take my NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to put this all over my eyes, or my eyelid, rubbing that in. All right, so because this is more of a topper, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw some colors into my crease just so I can make this work. What I'm going to do is I am going to take, this is the Manny MUA Lunar Beauty. This is its own line. This is just the Greek Goddess palette. I'm just going to do like a simple neutral look today. First, what I want to do is I want to put a color all over my lid. So I'm going to take the shade Fiesta, which is that shade here, and just throw that all over just to give me like a nice even clean base. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Persephone, which is this shade, and I'm going to throw that right in my crease. Do that, I'm just using a Moda brush. I don't know the name of this brush exactly, but just a Moda brush, really pretty. If I find the collection, I'm going to link that down below. I did get this from Moda, and I really like this. This is like super soft. It is on the bigger side, but I really like that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take another Moda brush. I'm going to dip between Aphrodite and Rhea, those two shades here, and I'm just going to put that on the outer portion of my eye. And I'm going to take a little bit of Calaspo. This is kind of I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Armretis. I don't know if I said that right, but I'm going to dip to that one too. Blend everything. Again, this is like a super simple look. Please don't hate, but I don't want to make anything crazy because it's not about Manny's palette that I love. It's about testing everything else out. All right, so I am done with this palette, and I'm going to put this on. Not the gloss. I'm not going to put the gloss on my eyes. I'm going to put this on. This again is the Latte London Eye Luster Cream Shadow. So that looks really pretty. I'm so excited to try this out. And I think I could just go like straight in. So I'm just going to... Ooh. Oh my god. That looks really pretty. I'm not putting this on my whole eye. I'm kind of just leaving like the outer third of it kind of empty. And don't worry, I'm going to blend out those edges. But this looks really pretty. I'm going to do a second shade. I'm going to do a second coat after that dries down a little bit. I could also like see myself using this as like a topper for another, like to make another shimmer like really pop. I'm going to go ahead and put on another coat. That second coat made this look so good. And this was supposed to be like a simple look, but I feel like my eyes just look really glam right now. I'm not even mad. That looks so pretty. Oh my god, I really like this. And the thing is, like, this isn't something that, sorry, I keep on looking down to like look, but this isn't something that I would like typically go for, I want to say, because I would be like, oh, that looks pretty, but like I don't know how it's gonna look in my eyes. But that looks really nice. So I'm just gonna go back into the Greek Goddess palette. This brush is from Diana, so if you're watching, hello. This she got for my birthday. It's like mermaid themed. I don't think I've ever showed these on my channel. I usually use these like for work and stuff, but I was like, hey, let me just throw it in this one and everybody. But this is really cute. I love mermaids, if you guys don't know. So I'm just gonna go in to the shade Amarides, which is that shade. I hope I'm saying that right. If not, I'm so sorry. And I'm just gonna blend out the edge so there aren't super like harsh lines. I'm going to go into the shade Cleo, which is that shade. I'm just gonna lightly run this through the crease. If you ever have like a hard time blending out like a wet shade like this, or like a glitter and that, what you can do is you go back and you kind of just take a little bit and just put little dots everywhere just to kind of blend everything out, and it just makes it look a lot better. So I'm just going to pop on 2 eyeliners really quick. I'm going to pop on the Tarte, this is a Stay Awake on my waterline, and there's a regular simple line on my top line. So I will be right back. Then I'm just going to apply the mascara so you guys can see how that goes. Alright, so I am back and I just threw on my eyeliner. I threw on the Stay Awake on my waterline, and then I also threw on, this is just a Thrive Cosmetics. I've been loving this lately. I just threw this on the brow bone and then the inner corner. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. So I'm just going to take this. If you guys don't like people curling their lashes, I'm so sorry. And just, what I do is I bring it really close and I hold it for a few seconds. So 1, 2, 3. Then I let it go. Then I go ahead and I do another one closer to the tips. And oh my god, I have some of the glitter on my eyelashes. I'm like, why do my eyelashes look really like white at the end? I got some of the glitter, but I feel like when I do that, that just makes my lashes look a lot better. So again, I just go really close. I hold 1, 2, 3, 4. And I go towards like the tips, and then again 1, 2. Take that off. So I'm just gonna do my handy dandy combination. I'm going to go in first with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I do a coat of this. Again, I got this from that Taylor, and oh, I just poked myself in the eye so bad. What is wrong with me? I've been doing that so much lately. Okay, I got that everywhere. So I'm just gonna let that dry. You never want to go in when it's wet, and that is just because it's going to get everywhere. My lashes do look really good, and that's just with like this. And I'm just going to go ahead and put on my my NARS Climax mascara. And guys, I actually didn't even tell you, I'm testing out a new foundation right now. I'm not doing a foundation video, although I should have done a wear test. I might do a wear test on this tomorrow, but this is my first time using it, and I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. I really, really like it so far. I mean, even though it's only been like 3 hours that I've worn this, but I do like it. Let me do my lower lash line really quick. I'm going to tap into Rhea and Aphrodite. Just put this on my lower lash line to kind of stay on. Then I'm just going to take a pencil brush, go into Persephone, and just smudge it out a little bit. Really pretty. So I just have blush. So I don't even know what blush I want to use. These are my blush options. Sorry, I don't want to blind you guys. I think I want to dip into, I might mix this shade and this shade. So this is the shade Seclusion and Toasted. So I think I'm just going to mix those 2 shades. I think that's really light. There we go. At first, this is really light, but go in like a few times and then that pigment will come through. That looks really pretty. Somebody is mowing their lawn, so I apologize if you hear that in the background. I am almost done with this video. It's the one thing about summer, people always mow their lawns when I want to film, so I apologize. Okay, I'm almost done, guys. That blush went on really, really good. I really like it. Oh, thank you. So that went on really, really good. I really like it. The colors are really pretty. Again, I mixed this shade and that shade, and I like it. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to put on the gloss, and I'm just going to put it right on my lips. Just bare lips, because I have been really loving glosses lately. Ooh. Ooh, like it really matches my eyes. Like it's kind of like iridescent-y. I don't know how I like it on the lips. I feel like from far away it looks pretty, but from up close you just see like it kind of just looks like chunks of glitter. I really don't know how, you don't feel it, but I just don't I don't know how I feel about that actually, but this is the completed look of all my Boxycharm goodies. So I do have to say my favorite thing is this topper that looks so pretty. I love the way it looks. You can make it look natural, you can build it up like I did, and it just looks really good. The blushes were amazing. I love these colors. Definitely, I kind of, the first time I went in with a light hand and I was like, eh. Second time I kind of put a lot on this cheek, so definitely I would rather just go in with a light hand and just build it up. I really did also like the eyelash curler. It's just a nice tool to have. I am going to be using this. I'm probably going to use this and then just update it in the description box to see how I actually liked this. And what else was there? Oh, the gloss. I'm not really a big fan of the gloss. I feel like as a topper, yeah, but as like a regular gloss, I don't know if I would use it. I'm not sticky. Oh, he's back. I'm not sticky, so I will give it that. I really do like how it's not sticky, but I feel like up close you kind of just see a bunch of the glitter. From far away it does look alright. So I think that is all. Yeah, that is all, everything in the box. Okay, so that is everything in the box. I give this box 2 thumbs up, even though I really don't know if I like the gloss. But even if I don't like the gloss, I feel like I really did find some awesome finds. Like the blush looks really good. You guys know I love blush, especially for the summertime. I really love this topper. I feel like this is just so pretty. It would be perfect for summer, just to create a nice like glass-like look. I think I want to do a video of just like how to make your skin. I saw Kristen Dominique did it, but she is a dry skin gal, so I want to try doing a glass skin like look for us oily girls out there, because even though we're oily, sometimes we just want to look really like dewy and shiny and just amazing, you know? So I think I might do a video on that. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys do want that type of video. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys did enjoy. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty. Give this video a like if you do like this video, if you like this look, and then also leave me a comment down below. What did you get in this month's Boxycharm? What was your favorite product? Let me know. I want to hear what you guys think. But that is it, guys. I hope that you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!